a scorching hot day. We finally had some clouds and a nice breeze blow in. There's some showers around us, but it finally feels good out here. I just brought some of my bee stuff up to the barn, and just thought I'd take you for a quick ride. Neighbor's house. Backside of the barn and our pond. Where I was planning to work today, to work on my steps going up the hill, but other things took priority over that. We're going to bring my wood chips in and elderberry. Look at that, I even got some blooms. Beehive, plum trees, grapevine. Look at the buckeye coming along, and pear trees, and apple trees. I'd drive down the middle of the garden if I could. See, on top of the greenhouse, wind blew our frame over. I don't think I can fix it this time. I was able to one other time, but I don't know. We'll see. And here's the grandkids' fairy garden. Looks like it needs some attention. Move that around and let them enjoy a little more free ranging. Go back to the garden from the other side. There's Kim's egg-shaped grapevine wreath and the entrance into the garden. Got an apple tree there that's got cedar rust, and I do not see any pears on the pear tree, which so much stuff got hit with that late frost. And they're getting ready to roll bale here. I've just been using that to actually just to water trees. And now here we are back at the house. I went out to the beehives this morning, and I was going to put an extra box and frames on the top. And when I opened it up, the top box was so packed with honey. I had seen a lot of bees on the outside. They weren't really bearding, and I figured they were just hanging out because it was hot. and I went up to just add another box of frames. And like I say, when I opened up, the top box was so packed with honey, I ended up taking 8 frames out and putting 8 new frames in. And these guys on this tote out here are cleaning up what was left of that. Anyhow, it's nice to have a nice evening, and you all have a good one, and I'll catch you later.